So in this video, I'm going to show you how to build out the thank you page for the Ted's Woodworking offer. In previous videos, I showed you how to pick the offer, pick the product that you're going to put the offer in front of, and then figure out how to build the landing page to collect somebody's information, give them that free offer or that low-cost offer, and then drive them through the funnel. If you forgot what a sales funnel is, this is a sales funnel. Basically, you start out with a big group of people. For like Ted's Woodworking, to be people that are searching keywords related to woodworking products or guides or something like that. And then they click on your ad, so only a small percentage of them will click, and then they'll go through your landing page, and then a small percentage of them will opt into the landing page here, and then they will go to your thank you page. And when they get to the thank you page, you're dealing with people that are more invested in the material. Not necessarily you yet, but they're definitely invested enough to sign up with some form of information that's personal to get what you're offering. And so on this thank you page, you have people that you can sell to now, but you don't want to sell them your $1,000 product or something like that. Here on the thank you page is where you typically do like a tripwire product that's either like lower cost, or you can just drive them to the affiliate offer. So you can treat this as what's called a bridge page. So what you can do is you can say, thank you for signing up. Your guide is on the way. You can make this like smaller and put this at the top. And then you could either have a video, which is really powerful because you can say a lot more in video, or you can use text with like a graphic, similar to how you did on the landing page. But you could say something like, do you want 16,000 plans to build even more projects faster than you ever have before? And so this way you're kind of like pre-qualifying people. You're saying like, hey, do you want some more stuff? And if so, then you're going to go to the next page. And basically you want to keep this succinct and give the benefits of what you're trying to do. You don't necessarily need to sell them, because the sales page of Ted's Woodworking or whatever the product is will do that for you. However, you do want to give them a reason to click. So you could put something here that says like, click below to not miss this amazing limited time offer for 16,000 woodworking plans. And so you could probably design this a little bit better. I would put a graphic if you're not going to put a video, because this is just like a boring page and it can look kind of sketchy. If you want to put that guide, or if you want to put like a person in here looking like they're really excited about that, so you can go to like free images or like Shutterstock gallery. You can buy images. I would just go to Google or pick one of the free images. Something like this is okay, even though it's not construction. You're building a project, so it might like look kind of cool. Or you can do this one, which kind of looks like you're architecting a project. Again, not directly related to wood plans, but it looks similar to that concept. So you can use something like this, but basically just some sort of graphic. Actually, the graphic ended up loading, so let's just use this graphic. So basically, you can just put a graphic here, kind of like illustrating what they're going to get. Do you want more plans? And then you kind of do a call to action. I would make this smaller so this stands out. And then you want to have a button that really stands out. So I would keep it on brand and keep it yellow like the previous page. Just keep it consistent. And just say, I want, give me more plans. Something like that describes what they're actually going to be getting. You can even make this have some more like flair to it, so you can add like a border and increase the size of that border so it really stands out, stuff like that. That way they're going to click it, and then this button, what it's going to do is you're going to link to the Ted's Woodworking offer. So what I would do is go to ClickBank, and I would load that up. And basically you're going to grab the affiliate link for that offer and then put it for that button. And what this allows you to do is build this funnel that starts with this big audience, doesn't know anything about you, and they travel through and they click through to the ad, and then on the way to the offer, and then all the way to the product. And that progression gets you people that are going to buy more and more and more from you. Starts out with a free offer because it's easy and it builds trust, and it's a great way to get a lot of people in the door fast. And you're going to go to the marketplace. You're going to search for Ted's Woodworking, and then you're going to click promote. And you can use the same link from before if you've generated it. I just like to generate a new one just because it's easy to do, and it's okay to have like multiple hop links for the same offer. Although if you want to stay really organized, you can just have one. Then I'm going to copy this link, go back to get response, and then put the link in there. So now when they click this, it's going to go to the next page. And you can look on mobile. When you click this mobile, it's going to have you create a mobile version. This actually looks pretty good, but typically it doesn't look good like that right out of the box. And there are some things here that are left over from the previous page. So you can delete these just to make sure that they're gone. You do want to have like your copyright and privacy information if you're running ads, because they want to make sure you're not a scammer. So if you don't have that stuff, you might not be able to move forward as easily. So sometimes in GetResponse, you have to go to the desktop version and delete it first, because then it maps to the mobile version, meaning it gets like copied over there. So now that I have that deleted, I can do Control O, and then that will optimize it for mobile. It looks like it already did pretty much, but generally what you want to do is move this call to action up. And even on mobile, you could probably hide this, because you just want them to click the button right there. You want it above the fold, meaning like you don't have to scroll on the phone or whatever device. Same with desktop. You can have more below the fold, but it just is more work. So you want to reduce friction with these offers, and you'll see your conversion rates go up. And this is basically just like a bridge page funnel. Some people have different ways of doing this. Like they'll have a video, they'll have more pages. You can try different ones. I would split test things if certain things aren't working out, but this is a really simple way to do it. You don't want to redirect right to the sales page all the time. Sometimes it works, but sometimes it doesn't. I've tried both. It is nice to give somebody an introduction to a sale that you're trying to do, a sales page, before you send them there. Plus, if you're using like digital ads, you can put a pixel on this page and see how many people have gone here. And then anybody who went here and didn't move on, you can track the click, or sometimes even who went to the next page, depending on the tracking settings. And that way you can send them new ads. Say, hey, you grabbed my guide, but you didn't move on to the next part. You didn't watch the video or look at the copy or try out this new training or try out this product. And that way you can use remarketing and data analytics to reach your customers at different touch points. And so what we can do now is we can test this page, or we can preview it. And so it's going to show here, and notice how it's like really easy to see the button already. It stands out, and when I click on this, it takes me right to Ted's Woodworking, and it should have your affiliate reference. I think they do what's called masking the URL. I think they hide it. It just sounds like what it sounds like masking is like putting a mask over it. So they change the URL or redirect it, but your affiliate link is in there. And if you're worried about that, just reach out to them on the affiliate page itself, like the affiliate tools or resources page. But this is how you direct people to that upsell and get people to buy. Now, Ted's Woodworking, I think it's like $40-some, and there might be a discount, so it's not that expensive to get the plans. And you can check that by, going through the video and going through the whole funnel. They have different landing pages, but basically the thank you page, you're dealing with people that have already opted in, they're already interested in the lead magnet, which should be directly related to the product. And then what you can do is you can link them, and then you can recommend other stuff to them. Sometimes you want to recommend lower ticket products like $7, $5, $9 to recoup the advertising cost. And it should be something that's like a no-brainer, like it's directly related to the lead magnet, and it's like super attractive but super low cost. If you can do that, then what's going to happen is you're going to pay $5, $3, maybe even $2 or $1 for a lead to come through and opt in, but then you're going to recoup that. So if you sell something for $3 and it's like this bonus pack with all this stuff that's like, it's just like, how can they say no? Now all of a sudden you just offset that cost. you profited potentially off of that lead, and now you're basically getting paid to build an email list. And this is something I'm trying out right now with a funnel. I'm trying to swap out a $39 product for a $17, and I'm probably going to cut it down and do exactly what I just said and make a no-brainer offer that's like $5. Because even though that's a low cost for all those bonuses, you're kind of giving them a taste of what you want before you sell them the $100 product, $1,000 product, $10,000 product, because most buyers aren't willing to buy right away, especially in a troubled economy. So, and it really depends what kind of buyers you're going after. Like if they're naive and quick, like to make money online space, sometimes people are really easy to buy, but I think over time they're starting to realize there's a lot of scams out there, so they're more reluctant. And it also depends on the timing and the economy and their personal finances. Try not to put yourself in the shoes of the buyer, like based on your own preferences. I think that's the biggest mistake I've made, is like thinking like everybody's like me. I'm a super fast learner and I really like to take chances and risks. So I would be a naive fast buyer. I'm probably an easy sell on things I'm really interested in. And not everybody is, and you shouldn't think that way. You should think that actually 1% of those people are in that category, and then 99% of those people are in the I'm not ready to buy stage. And if you think that way, you'll get more people through the funnel, more sales, and you'll start building trust and building a list of people that actually want to buy from you. Don't just shove sales in people's faces. Think about how long it would take you to buy if you were somebody who wasn't as educated about the product. And that way you'll be more empathetic to the situation and their needs. But that's how you build some and get response with a landing page, a thank you page, and it goes straight to the affiliate offer. And we can talk about how to build other things into your thank you page. We're going to be going through the Facebook ads setup, the conversion tracking, which is super important if you're doing paid ads, to see who's converting and how to remarket to them, and how to build audiences, what kind of ads to use. And if you want to use GetResponse and you want a special offer from them through me, you can click the link in the description or in the comment below and grab that offer while it lasts. It's a great tool. I like it. I've tried a lot of funnel builders. They all have their pros and cons. One thing about GetResponse is it's super cost effective for a beginner, or anybody for that matter. It includes webinars, which most of them don't. And the interface and support is really easy to use. I've never seen a better support system. It's 24/7 support, and they'll try really hard to get you results. So if you're looking for a funnel builder that's going to give you everything you need with your email marketing stuff, even some Google Ads, Facebook Ads integration, then you definitely want to use GetResponse. Click the link down there. And if you want to learn the fastest way to start making money online, and you want to get real advice from real experts, I'm going to also put a link below in the description and the comment below. You can click that and grab a free book that I'm offering. That is The Millionaire Shortcut. So it's written by a good friend of mine, and it is about how to make a lot of money fast when you're starting from scratch with digital business models. And it's a practical guide to show you how to do that, and it will guide you along your path. So if that interests you, check that out in the description, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. So take it easy and start taking action. Peace out.
If you like this video, hit that like button so more people can see it. Jump on that subscribe button and slap that notification bell so you don't miss a single video from me on how to make more money online and live a happier life. There's a video right after this one, so stay tuned for that. Peace out for now.